Hello and welcome to another video in Mr. Tech channel. This video will be a simple, not a lot of minutes in the video, below timing video, because it is a nice topic but a simple one. It is in Android. This topic we're gonna talk about how I'm gonna create a Wi-Fi repeater in my phone. How I'm gonna connect, simplify it, how I'm gonna connect to a Wi-Fi and create a hotspot from the same Wi-Fi that I'm connected to. So this is simple. I'm gonna show you how to install this program, because natively in Android native, it's impossible to do it. So you need an application to do it for you. So I'm gonna show you the right application to do that, and show you how to download it, install it, and how to use it basically. So first thing first, you're gonna go to the description. You will see all links that you have to download. Basically there is one link that to download is the application, so you're gonna find the link in the description down. I'm just copying it to browser, Mozilla or Firefox or Chrome or something like that. I'm gonna paste it, the link. This is the link. First of all, deny. I will not allow it, because if you allow it, there will be a lot of viruses. So please, any ad on any website that you are not confident in it, deny it. So I'm gonna skip this ad. Now I'm gonna go to the download link. Because I'm poor, I will choose free download. I'm not rich. This file has 422 kilobytes. Not a big deal. We will have to wait 30 seconds to download this file, and we're gonna verify that we are not robots. Really, we are robots. I am a robot. I'm gonna download and explain this video to my friends to install a Wi-Fi repeater in my phone. God damn it. Nah, I am not a robot because I am. This is French. I'm gonna click on create download link. Here we're gonna see, click here to download. It will give me the application. Net share, no root. It will be using no root tutoring. I'm gonna open it simply because I am using a passcode to my applications. That's why I can't install anything, because there's a lot of viruses there. We have to be cautious about that. So I'm gonna return to Chrome. I'm gonna go to downloads. I'm gonna select it again, install, because I am already installed it. That's why it won't install. Please, if you are already installed this application, do not try to reinstall it. It will not be installed. So I'm gonna go to my launcher with my application drawer. You can see there, this is my application, NetShare. I'm gonna, to be simple, you can change the password name, but you have to change it in the settings. But this is good for me. This is the password. This is the name of my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna click on start Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want to activate WPS is the Wi-Fi protected security. You can. If you are not, you have to do it like this. Connecting from Android phones. You have to launch NetShare app and other device. Tap connect in the action bar. If you want to connect but not using the application, you have to do this. Connect to the hotspot and set process settings to address like that and port like that. So I'm gonna capture a video for me connecting to my hotspot. We install the app in our phone, we use it, we open it, we use it to create a hotspot to let our other users to connect on it. Now we're gonna use my laptop to connect to this Wi-Fi repeater. You could say that this is a Wi-Fi repeater from your phone to this hotspot in general. So this is the name of the hotspot. I'm gonna click on connect. Because I paste the password here, you can see this is pasted in Mozilla Firefox because I'm too lazy to tape it. I'm gonna go here and connect to this Wi-Fi, and we're gonna paste the password to connect. Now we're gonna wait until the Wi-Fi connects. When the Wi-Fi is connected successfully, we're gonna do some configuration to let the Wi-Fi work well. By that, setting up proxy to let the laptop and application work well. So until they connected, I'm gonna go to settings from here. This is the settings of the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna return from back. I'm gonna go to proxy like that. I'm gonna deactivate automatically settings. I'm gonna activate using a proxy server, and we're gonna paste the server and the port of the proxy information in the application. You can see that my proxy address is this, and the proxy port is this. So I'm gonna click save, and my proxy is activated in there. I'm gonna go to Mozilla or Google Chrome or any browser. I'm gonna type Google. I'm gonna wait. It will work. I guess it will work. As you can see, Google has been. I'm gonna go to YouTube. As you can see, the connection working. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be helpful a lot. Like this video or dislike it. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Share with your friends. Comment with your ideas, with your thoughts, with your suggestions. Now always be Mr. Tech. See you in another video. Goodbye.